Bonjour everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Adhya. In this video I'm back with something super fun. We're learning the past participle in French. We've learned about it a lot in English, but now it's time for you to learn in French, and this is very necessary since in my next video we're going to be learning about the perfect tense in French. And for that you really need to require that your knowledge about past participle is super strong. Thus, stay tuned. So as you can see on your screen now, in French, the past participle is a verb form used to express actions of states that have already happened. It also commonly used to form compound sentences such as the passé composé. The general rule for forming the past participle of regular verb is as follows. So the regular verb, it means by verbs ending in er, ir, and re. So for er, you replace the er with e and the accent above. For example, if you have parler, which is most of the common examples for er verbs, which means to speak, we're gonna cut the er here and we have this e with an apostrophe at the end. For verbs ending in ir, the past participle is formed by replacing ir with I. In a more simple language, you can just remove the r at the end and you're done. So if you have fini, to finish, then you'll just remove the r here and the verb that you have is your past participle. Quite easy until now. Then we have for verbs ending in re, the past participle is formed by replacing re with u. For example, want to sell, so we're gonna cut this re over here and add a u. Perfect. Now we have the exercises already. First, we have to fill in the blanks with the correct past participles of the given word in brackets. Now, the first thing that I would do is I'm gonna highlight the endings of the verb. So we have er, ir, re, and er. So it makes me more easier because now it's in my eyes, okay, which ending do I have and now which rule do I have to apply. Now, j'ai dash une pomme, and we have manger. Since it's er, it's gonna be manger. So I removed the er and added e with an accent. Next, we have ils ont dash un film hier soir. Now, we have regarder, so we're going to follow the same rule. Remove the er and add e with accent. Third, elle est dash en vacances ce matin. We have parti. Parti is ir. So the simple rule is just removing r at the end. So that's it. We have the past participle now. Nous avons dash au parc here. Aller is er. Thus, we remove the er and we add e with an apostrophe or the accent. Tu as dash ces livres intéressants. Now we have the word lire. Lire is re, and for re we remove the re and we add u at the end instead. So tu as lu ces livres intéressants. Last, les enfants ont joué dans les jardins toute les journée. Jouer is er, so again we're gonna remove the er but add e with an accent instead. For exercise 2, rewrite the following sentences in the passé composé using the given words in the bracket. Now these words are conjugated according to the normal rule which we have in present tense, but now it's our duty to change it to past participle. Now, je mange une glace. Okay, now I added e with an apostrophe, the accent, because it's er verb, as you can see over here. Il regardait un film. So, il regardait un film. Again, we apply the same rule as the first one since regarder is also an er verb. Elle court tous les matins. Courir is ir, thus it will be this because you remove the r at the end as the rule said. Tous les matins. Nous parlons français, so we speak French. Parlons or parler is er, so nous parler, we remove the re and add e with the apostrophe, the accent, français. Tu bois un café, you drink a coffee, so bois is re and we add u at the end instead of re. Cafe. Perfect. So we're done. That's it for past participle. I hope it was clear for you. Now I'm pretty sure you can easily do this next video about the perfect tense in French. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like this video and share it with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.